Let's understand what are the four yugas. The four yugas are new creation, new revelation, a time of newness. So that time when freshness, beauty, new creation, new manifestation, new discovery happens, then there is a time space where everything is golden, everything is fresh, everything is beautifully experimental. New creations are happening. There is harmony, there is ease, there is a flow. Then what happens? I'm going micro because ultimately, get the truth of it in your lives. This happens. All the yugas happen in your life all the time. You got this new creation. Then what do you want? You want to kind of make rules for it so that you can maintain that great truth that has been manifested. Like, say, a guru, a spiritual guru, a great seer. Yeah, great seer. He had a vision, he spoke the vision, he spoke the truth. Say Buddha or anybody, say Mahavir, say Sri Aurobindo, anybody. He realized the truth, he spoke the truth, and he enlightened many people. So there was that first generation of people who were living in this ananda and enlightenment and experimentation and great new manifestations every day. That was the Satyug of a movement. Then what happens? The next generation who comes after the seer is gone, he say, oh, the teachings, oh, the teachings. We must create the flow of these teachings through disciples. We must create books. We must create, so the laws and rules and formations are made. Next yuga. Then what is the third yuga? There are more and more rules. There are more and more hardening formations. We must not do this. We must do this. This is wrong. This is right. A person who follows us is good. A person who does not follow us is bad. That's the third yuga, the third stage of a cycle. And the fourth yuga is Kali Yuga, when things become so hardened, so ego-driven, so blind, so tamasic, then that the truth and the beauty of that movement no longer remains. And that is where question mark appears. That is where dissent appears. That is where the giant dance of Shiva tears the past. That is where things start breaking up. There are forces that are trying to hold on to it. There are forces that are trying to break it. So that is the period when the breaking down of the crystallization begins to happen. Remember, ego is the helper, ego is the bar. So when that crystallization of a pure movement that once began as a pure, beautiful, fresh realization, gone through these various stages of organization, hardened rules, corruption in the rules. For instance, the Chaturvarna, the caste system. It was a vision of the four archetypes, the four Shaktis in the universe, which we will deal with. We'll talk about the Mahashaktis. What are the four kinds of people who are born like that? How can they work as a team? It was not about hereditary. It was not a Brahman's child should be a Brahman, a Kshatriya's child should be a Kshatriya. It was not like that. It was, what is your characteristic? So it was born as a realization of what kind of people exist on this earth and how can they follow their natural instinct. But then we made rules for them. Then it became hardened. Then there was corruption in society. And then finally there was questioning, and the caste system is being nudged. It's being broken. So the yuga, just like the universe is physical, it is also psychological. There are many layers to universal truth, right from the physical layers to the psychological layers to the emotional layers. So like I say again and again, we are a hologram of the yugas, of all universal happenings within our own consciousness. So if we can understand what the yugas are, from that consciousness, we can create Satyug within ourselves. So just like you have the larger idea of the great yugas, you also have sub-yugas. So even if there's a larger Kali Yuga going on right now, there is sub-Satyug Dwapar, Treta, Kalyug happening within it. But the most important is the universe within yourself. Because the moment you realize this universe within yourself and your own Satyug that you can create at will, then you will be very careful at how the stages are going. And you will be able to cover those stages really quickly and come on to Satyug again and again in your own consciousness. So the idea is to understand a universal truth, a universal manifestation from within your life, within your mind, within your being. And then the universe will solve itself for you.